this is Immy from iTradeAims. Hope you had a good weekend. We had a nice one, pretty boring one. Very dark, kind of wet and all that, forget it. Let's have a quick look at the hourly charts. Tomorrow is going to be Monday, and it's going to be the final trading week of this year. There will be no trading on the hourly chart until the first week, Monday the 6th. Let me just have a look. Yep, Monday the 6th is where we would resume trading. I probably won't trade much this week. We'll probably just won't take any trades on Fridays for the hourly, but I don't usually do anyway. So let's have a quick look. Australian dollar yen, we have a 3 up, 4 down. 4 down is kind of too impulsive, not looking for a 4 up. Same here. Let me just have a quick look at, okay, so it's bounced off these levels. Let me have a quick line here. That's where it bounced off. Might try again, see what it does around here. So Australian dollar has been going down, Kiwi down, so this is 3 and 5. As you can see, a divergence. So let's draw something. Don't want to do this stuff, but still, you know, here and here. This is some kind of 3 and 4. We got something going on here. Let's have a quick look at the daily. So that's probably at the top. It probably needs to come around at this level now, you know. So maybe it will do some stuff here. This is the day one box high. As we can see, no, it isn't. Oh, this. Okay, so that's the D1 box high. Go back. Yeah, it might react here and probably go back up. Let's see what it does. New Zealand dollar is going down. Kiwi, kind of same situation on all of these pairs. That's why really there isn't a great edge in looking at multiple charts of the same kind of currency. As long as you have the discipline of risk management, then it should be alright. So you can have like a few Kiwi or a few of the Australian dollar pairs, but you don't want to trade all of them, you know. Otherwise, for example, you have a setup on Australian dollar and a setup on Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and a setup on the New Zealand dollar, USD. If you trade three times, that's risking 3 times. So take the best setup and move on. Alright, so we have the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD had some sort of a formation going on, 3, 4, 5. It's kind of too spiky up there. Let's check the daily. The daily is indicating something going on to the downside. It's not really a trend. On the dailies, it's been going sideways the whole of the rest of this year. So something could develop here. So let's see if during the week it makes something. So this is the box low of the D1 box low here. It's reacted to it around here. So comes here, stops, goes back up, comes back to it, reacts, goes up, and comes back. Kind of unclear situation. Dollar yen has reacted to the boxes up there as well, especially to this box, the month high. It's reacted, comes back here, maybe forms a setup. So we have a day 1, day 2, so this can be considered as 2 days of wave 3. You could have a 1 day of wave 4 here, so maybe on Tuesday, the next day up there, it could create and gives a trade up. So next one, Australian dollar, Swizzy going down. It's broken this box, this really sideways market, but that doesn't matter if you are on the hourly chart. I think this was something that happened late because of the election. Was it election? Yeah, 12th. No, that's 11th. That's election. That's Thursday. So yeah, not my trading time, but a pretty good setup one happened around here. Must have been the news, yeah. This was a setup, by the way. This is that setup which has less bars. So on M30 it would have been a good setup. The Australian euro against the Australian dollar. That's what it is, yeah. M30 creates the setup. So when you have 1 day of strong price action and then sideways, and then Gator is still open, you can go to M15 or M30 and find a setup there. So let's see if we had an M15 setup. The M15 setup has too many bars, yeah, so M30 was better. So if you look at M30, it had perfect 60 bars, 60 candles, so perfect setup 1, 30 stop loss, 60 target point, bang. Right, Euro Dollar CAD, nothing interesting. Euro GBP obviously fell down when the exit polls came out and bang, went down. We have a status quo, kind of. Just that Labour has lost its power of stopping whatever the other part of the thing was doing, and people have decided, okay, we want to go and leave the EU by Johnson's terms. So that's what's going to happen. Euro yen goes up, falls down. Let's go to the daily. Oh yes, this is that beautiful formation. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if it has completed that. Ooh, look at that. Would you say it was a nice bounce off the target zone 1? Of course it was. And bounced here, so it's still in an uptrend, so it might create a setup here, but most probably you would need a whole Monday to be going sideways around here and then set up the next wave. But the wave 4 down is very impulsive, so it's kind of I think it's a strong signal of further price going down, but you have these, what they would call the previous ceiling or resistance, that is now probably turned into some kind of a support, so we'll see what it does around here. Next, Euro New Zealand dollar. So what is this? Why isn't there further? Oh, what am I talking about? So that's the daily chart. So you see, I looked at it and I thought it's an hourly chart, but kind of strangely stopped there. So the hourly chart is like so. Euro yen is a daily. Looks very shitty, so let's leave that over there. This is the euro dollar hourly chart. Could it form a famous tomorrow here? Let's have a look at the daily chart. It's the same situation. It is previous box high now turning into box lows. So if it forms something tomorrow here on M15 below this, you could take it short down here. So I'll make a note of this. Leave that one. Pounds. The pounds are on the way up. The news was positive in a way. They want to have an outcome, so we will look for something tomorrow on this. And something, oh, not there. Something around here, probably going up. And pound yen, so it's still going up. It's kind of completed this. I will not be expecting it to go up, but it can go up. So we'll see what it does. Pound dollar. So this is gold. Gold is now stuck in the box. We'll have to wait for it to get out of the box. So that's dollar yen. What's it doing all the way here? Australian dollar yen, and that's it. 10 minutes of analysis. Bang.
Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if yes, please hit the like button. Do you have any questions or ideas for upcoming videos? Then leave a comment. Also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos. See you next time.